Show that the area enclosed by y equals 2x, y equals x squared, and y equals a half x squared is 4. So let's have a look at this then. Let's try and draw this axis a bit better than that, because there's 3 curves, so I'll try and draw a half decent sketch. So y equals 2x then is going to be this curve here. I'll try and draw a straight line as best I can with the digital pen. So that's supposed to be y equals 2x. Then y equals x squared. Eventually it will cross. And there's y equals x squared. And then y equals half x squared. Y equals half x squared. So it's going to be coming under here. Like so. And half x squared. Like so. The area between y equals 2x, y equals x squared, and y equals a half x squared is 4. It's a very confusing picture, isn't it? Enclosed. So, from what I can see, the area enclosed would be this part here, and then half x squared would be have to come up and cross it there. So as far as I can see, the whole area is going to be this here. So you don't need to worry about the x squared because it's in between the two. So it will just be area. Let's have a go with it then. So when does half x squared equal 2x? Well, when x squared equals 4x, move the 2 up and then move the 4x over. X equals 0 and 4. So the area would be these vertical segments between 0 and 4. And it would be 2x minus a half x squared. X squared over 2 and the 2's cancel, so we have x squared minus x cubed over 6, isn't it? Between 0 and 4. Top value would be 16 minus 64 over 6, which is 32 over 3. Take away bottom value, 0. So that's 32 over 2 minus 32 over 3, which is 96 over 6 minus 64 over 6, which is 32 over 6. Okay, 32 over 6 is not 4. So I really don't get that problem actually. I don't understand why you've got 3 curves. So maybe the question is, maybe I'm not reading the question. Show that the area enclosed by y equals 2x and x squared. That one. And y equals half x squared. So the area enclosed by... Oh, I see. Between this segment and this segment. So maybe it's the difference. So let's take off the other area. So maybe they want... It's a badly phrased question. Maybe they want this segment out here. So let's work out the inner segment then. So we've done the outer segment. So that's the outer. The area of the inner then segment would be integral between 0 and... So the inner segment would be when x squared equals 2x. X squared minus 2x equals 0. X equals 0 and x equals 2. So it would be 2. So the integral between 0 and 2 then of x squared minus of 2x rather minus x squared. So maybe that's the way the question's actually asked. which is x squared minus x cubed over 3, between 0 and 2. So this would be 4 minus 2 cubed is 8 thirds. 12 thirds minus 8 thirds is 4 thirds, which is 8 sixths. So answer then will be the difference between the two, as we said. 32 over 6 minus 8 sixths is 24 sixths, which is 4, which is what the answer asks for. So basically it's a badly worded question, I think, but it's saying the area enclosed between by this and that. So there's the area there. So it's actually asking for the segment of the area. I think the question should have been worded a bit differently, a bit better. But anyway, the answer is 4 and we've done it, worked it out what it meant now.